I bet you didn't know your gas cap does more than just seal your tank. It actually keeps your car running right. Let's find out why it sometimes fails. First, the rubber seal on your gas cap can wear out. When that happens, air sneaks into your gas tank. This can trigger your check engine light and even lower your gas mileage. Another common issue is a broken or stripped gas cap thread. If the cap won't twist on tightly, it can't make a good seal. Sometimes people forget to click the cap shut. If it's loose, fuel vapors escape, and your car's sensors might think there's a leak. And in older cars, the cap itself can warp or crack over time from weather or just plain age. So, what should you do? Always make sure your gas cap clicks when you close it. If you see a warning light or smell gas, check the cap first. A working gas cap keeps your fuel safe, your car running smooth, and saves you money at the pump. Don't let this tiny part turn into a big problem. Give your gas cap a quick check today.